I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 8 of 25 days of holiday crafts. For today's craft, we are going to be making starch string snow people. Everything you need for this project is listed in the description below. Okay, so first we're going to blow up 2 balloons, one for the head and one for the body. Here we go. Okay, so I'm taping them together at the same place where I tied them, so you're gonna just tape them right there. I recommend having a cup on hand so that the balloon can stay in place while you tape. Okay, so I taped my head and body together, and now we need to make our solution. So you're gonna get a bowl and you're gonna mix together 2 parts glue to 1 part water. I'm eyeballing it, but you should probably measure it. It's mostly important that there's more glue than water, so let's do this. If you think you need more glue for whatever reason or more water, now is the time to add that in. I think I need more glue. So now is where it starts to get mad messy, so I would put something down on the table. So I have one of my favorite brands of yarn right here. It's called Sugar and Cream. I got it at Michael's. It's like under $2. It's in white, and this is what I'm going to use to make the snowman or a woman. You want to make sure your string doesn't get tangled while it's in the bowl, so I'm going to show you how to do it easily.
Okay, so this part is really easy. All you're doing is taking your yarn and slowly layering it on the top so that there are no little knots, because that could be annoying later. And then you are taking your stick or a spoon and kind of mushing it down so everything gets in the glue. Also, be careful not to lose one end of the yarn while you do this.
Okay, so now that that's all done, you just take your balloon and start your twisting.
Once you start doing this and then you get halfway and you realize that you need more yarn, it's no big deal. All you do is just put more in the bowl and keep adding it on. There's no need to tie anything to a string because it all kind of just sticks together.
Okay, we are done. Everything, including my whole outfit, is a mess, but that's okay because I had fun. Now you're just gonna take a cup. Make sure your cup has weight in it. I'm gonna take this very gluey plastic bag and put it in there so the cup doesn't tip over. And I'm just gonna sit the snowman on top. Okay, now we gotta wait like 24 hours or longer for this to dry. Okay, it's been 24 hours. It is dry and it's time to pop the balloons, which is always fun. First, we're gonna do the top. I have my little pin. Oh! Oh! First things first, get the balloons out of there. We're gonna cut a hole in the bottom so you can reach down through there anyway, because there's gonna be a hole. Cool! Now time for a little bit of surgery. You want the snow person to stand up, and since it's round, it cannot. So I'm just gonna cut a flat bottom very carefully. Okay, there's my hole. And now let's see if it stands. It does. So I took an old shirt, cut out a long piece, and I'm just gonna tie it around like a scarf. Okay, now it just needs a carrot nose. I'm taking a piece of orange paper and kind of rolling it at the corner like this, so that it is a cone. Like this, look. So we gotta cut it. So first tape it down. So now I'm just, again, using hot glue, gluing the sides. Definitely hold it there for a few seconds or hold your snowman like this. Ooh,